Hello and welcome to another video. Sensei Jumoke is here.
Sensei Afiya.
We will be going through Kata Kion today. I know it's one kata that is has been heavily requested, so we're gonna have a go. All movements we're gonna do mirrored to you. So the first move in Kata Kion, if you remember, you'll be going this way. So if I say to your left, we're going to go that way. And Sensei Afiya will even turn towards me. So you can, if you look at the screen, the first move, yes. But Sensei, if you come forward a little bit, just so we can see you better, like here. And then if you do the first move, good. And then we're all going to move that way for the first move. So just remember that. And yame. Before we get into that, we're not going to rush into it too quickly. There's a couple of exercises that we could practice so we can put them together to make the full kata. For example, let's go through the basics we need to learn for Kion kata. Sorry. So our left arm is going to go first and make Gidan in Zen-Shin. Ich. Now we're going to step and make Oizuki. Ni. Good. Yame. So you should be able to do that. Let's do that again. So we're going left side first. Let's take another step back. Left side first. Ich. Ni. Good. Yame. So notice how one goes down, then one goes straight forward. It's a block and a punch. So now this time we're going to try it with our right side first, and then our left hand punch. So block first. Ich. Ni. Yame. One more time. This is our right side. Ich. Ni. Yame. Good job. So that's the most basic element we need to do in the kata. Now in the kata there's also two turns that can mess people up. So pay attention. We're going to add to that. So if Sensei Afiya takes the middle, okay, so she's going to step forward with her right side first and make Gidan. Ich. And again, Ni. Good. So now you're going to use your back leg to turn Gidan. Get ready. Ich. So she goes across and turns. And can you step and punch? Ich. Good. Now use your back leg again. Across, turn, and step punch. Good. And yame. Let's do that together. That's a good job. Let's come back. So we're going to use our back leg. Remember, when we're in our stance, the back leg goes across and I turn. Across and turn. So this is our back leg turn. So we're going to use our left side first and make Gidan. Get ready. Ich. And now Oizuki. Ni. Now we're going to turn with our back leg behind us. Morte. Step and punch. Ich. Now turn with our back leg. Ich. Step and punch. Ni. Yame. Sorry there. Okay, this time, good job. We're going to do it with our right side stepping forward first, and then use the other way around. So let's try it. We've got our right side. Ich. Ni. Turn. Morte. Ich. Good turn. Morte. Yame. Good. So we have the block, the Gidan, the punch, the Oizuki. We're making in our Zen-Shin a front stance. We've used our back leg to turn behind us, using both legs. So now the last one, which might be the hardest, is what Kiyoshi likes to call the dragon tail.
Nice.
Yeah, so Sensei Afiya, could you show us? So if you have any leg forward, you're making an Oizuki. You can make an Oizuki, yeah. So you're now going to use your front leg, not the back leg, the front leg to turn around. Could you show us? Good, and step and punch. Ich. Good, now she's going to use this leg, so she's going to turn towards this side and turn round. Good, and it's good when you can use the head to lead the body. Can you use the head to lead the body as you turn? Good, so use the head, look, and there we go, turn. And step and punch again, each. Good, now use the head as you turn. Front way, good. And yame. That's a good job. So, it's really important to know there's two differences. We're using our back leg to turn, and then using our front leg to turn. So I practice those. You should be able to turn and still be stable. If you're wobbling, it's probably because your stance is too narrow and it needs to be wider. That's really important. So now we could probably go through the first 8 moves. Nice. Should we try that? Once you've got the first 8 moves, you've pretty much got most of it. So what we'll do is we'll do it as a mirror to them to start off with. So if we are here, so this is our ready position. My toes are facing forward, they're spread, my hands are out. Let's name our kata. Kion!
Kion!
So we're going to go to our left side first. We're going to make Gidamburai, and we're going to make a big stance in Zen Kutsadachi. Ich. Good, now we're going to step and punch. Ni. Good, now this is our dragon tail turn. So do I use my back leg or my front leg? My front leg's going to go all the way around. So look over the shoulder, turn, step and punch.
I messed up, Sensei.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Oh no, it's doing it backwards. Okay, so let's try it again. We'll keep going. Yeah. We'll keep going. Let's try it one more time. So everyone sometimes messes up. That's okay. Get ready. Ich. Knee. Now all the way around we're going to do our dragon tail turn. Look over the shoulder, turn, step and punch. Look, yame. Good, so this is the first 4 movements. If you can do this, you can do most of the kata. One more time. Get ready. So what's good is to start with a look step, not just together at the same time. Ich. Knee. Now look over that shoulder. Ich. Knee. Look. Yame. One more time. I'm scared I went a little bit too fast. Last time. Okay, this is good. This is how we get better. Look. Ich. Knee. Look. Ich. Knee. Look. Yame. Well, Sensei, could you come here? And you're going to now do it like you normally would. And this is what it should look like for you. So if you're watching the screen, you could follow along with Sensei and see how she does. So say your kata. Kion.
Kion.
Ich. Ni. San. Shi. Good, now look along the middle. You're going to do the next step. So Sensei's going to use her front hand that's punching and her front leg here. She's going to look down this middle line and let's see where this front foot goes. Ich. Good. See how there's a gap between her legs? That's really important. Don't make it so it's narrow. There's a gap here. Okay, yeah, so she ended up being wobbly. Could you show us that move again? So you have your left leg forward. So she's going to look. The foot isn't going to go here. It's got to go here over this side. Ich. Good. Now that was move number 5. So to get to move number 8, she's got 3 punches. Ich. Ni. Aya.
Aya.
Yame. Good. And Nore. Os. Good job. So that was our first 8 movements. Let's do it one more time.
Yes.
Let's do it facing them. Just to try and make it a little bit different. So we've got to start back just because we don't want to punch the camera. Let's do it together. So we're going this way first, remember?
Yes.
Big Gidamburai. 1, 2, look over the shoulder. 3, 4, look to the middle. This front leg moves. Ich. Now we're going to step and punch 3 punches. Ich. Ni. Aya.
Aya.
Yame. Nos. Okay, good job. So before we do the whole kata, I would really recommend practicing those different exercises we did. We made Gidanbarai and Oizuki together. We practiced turning back leg, using the back leg to turn. We also practiced using the front leg to turn and using the front leg to turn. Now, the biggest mistakes I will see, so just watch here, is when we have a student say punch, they're going to turn, they're going to do a dragon tail turn with their front leg. And watch the middle line here, their turn will go in line here, and there's no gap, and I'm wobbling like this. That means my leg didn't move enough. So when I turn, this foot's going to go all the way over there. Sensei, could you show them where you think my foot's going to go? As I turn. This foot's going to, where would this go when I turn?
This one's going to come all the way around to about here.
Yeah, it's going to be like a diagonal line. Diagonal line. Let's try it. So I'm going to be over there. Itch. Good. So I'm not wobbly, there's a gap in between my legs. That's usually the hardest bit. So that's 8 moves from Kata Kion. Remember, there's a Ki on number 8 on the last punch. I think before we go home, should we do it one more time?
Us?
Yeah?
Can I give one tip as well?
Yeah, please do.
What I see a lot of students have the right block, but then they forget about the other hand is maybe dangling down.
They've been holding handbags.
Yeah, holding handbags here or dangling down. So make sure your hikite is pulled back for every move, whether it's a gidanbarai or your oizuki. Make sure your ikite is in place.
Okay, so we shall do it facing them one last time. Should we swap sides? So I'll be on this side. Okay. Yoi. So first 8 moves. Kion!
Kion!
1, 2, look, 3, 4, look, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yame. Subudash. Nore. Os. And Nore. That's a good job. Wasn't everyone? That's our first class. Practice that and you can get good in no time. Thanks, Sensei Afiya. Okay, and keep practicing. Let us know how you did and how you've got on. And if you'd like to see anything else, if you're having problems with anything. So
if you'd like to share a video with us too, that would be cool, so we can see your progress.
Okay, yes. So if you can share anything, that's great, because we'd like to see how you guys are getting on, but also the mistakes we can learn from, so everyone else can benefit. That's really good. Let's have a good day. Let's finish this properly. Feet together with Subadash. Let's say it together. Sensei.
Sensei.
Domo arigatou gozaimashita.
Domo arigatou gozaimashita.
Right. Us. Thank you.